it's funny because that's the funny thing about when I said like it's okay for those who are structured to be structured. Like that's what they're good at. That's fine. They're not going to be that good at creative stuff necessarily. It's okay.
Yeah.
Like, and those who are like super creative may not be that good at structure. It's okay. It doesn't mean that they're not worth anything. It just means that you're different.
Mm-hmm.
But that's where that comes into play, because the person who's super creative may find it super easy to do this one thing over here that the person who's super structured takes them 10 times longer to figure out even what's going on.
Yeah.
And this person's like, oh, you mean this? And it's ready to go because I'm a creative. This is what I do. This is what I'm good at.
Yeah.
It's super easy for me. And it could be vice versa. You know, the person who's super creative will find it super hard to do the structure because that's just, you know, their mind is more dominant by, you know, let's say maybe the right side than the left side.
Yeah.
So it's interesting because I like looking into these types of things to kind of understand where we need to play, because we need to play to our strengths. See, I have a little bit of both sides actually. So I have the creative side because I work with, you know, in the creative industry, and I'm trained in design, and I'm trained in like, you know, doing like branding, and I'm trained in doing like creative direction and art direction, that type of thing. But I also am like a brand strategist, and I'm super interested in like finding efficiencies and finding what's effective. So there is some structure that I like to have. So it's like a little bit of both sides, you know, left and right brain or whatever. We just have to find what we're good at. Which one, you know, which side are we on? You know, if we're at both, it's okay too. You know, but I noticed that it's a little bit more rare to have both sides. Yeah. You know, so and it's okay. We just
and then sometimes instead of being good at both sides, you just suck at both.
Yeah, then that's when we, you know, but then at least that's when we have to say, hey, someone help me out, you know, help me figure this out. That's okay, because we can help each other figure it out.